Kama Ayurveda's first store launched in 2012 and it slowly emerged as front-runner in Ayurvedic skincare in India. With their minimal packaging and products that promise results, Kama Ayurveda managed to gain loyal clientele over the years. Their huge range of products is 100% natural and vegan, and their products do not even contain paraben, urea, or any sort of color for that matters. Today we are going to talk about some of the most loved products from Kama Ayurveda and some of the products that I have used first hand and have been keep using them and keep purchasing them again and again. So let's get to it. But before that, the company markets beauty products which are high-end brand or considered to be a luxury skincare category. However, cost can be high due to several reasons. It could be marketing strategy to set apart brands from crowds of product in market. A high price restricts number of users to a few wealthy rich. This helps company to position their brand as top class, meant only for super state society of rich. Hence the premium products only available to certain type of people or choice of people rich. This strategy is called skimming the cream strategy in marketing. Anyway, another reason that it could be that they actually use rare ingredients which are expensive and hard to get, which yields superior results to its customer, and such an action could jack up the cost and hence company has to charge more. It must be noted that we do not see any promotional messages from this company nor advertise on TV and not even popular newspaper as well. So this indicates that company believes in word of mouth, which kind of speaks for itself. After hearing so much about this brand, I started investing in their skincare, and today I'm going to talk about the products that I like from Kama. And there are still some duds, some products that do not work for me and did not work for any of the people I know, but I decided to make positive video today and talk about products that I do enjoy and keep repurchasing. But if you do wish to see me talk about products that are not worth your money, I can make that video too. Just let me know in comment section. Rose water is one of those amazing multitasking beauty products that every woman or man needs to have in their vanity. It has astringent, cleansing, hydrating, toning, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it must-have product. If you're someone who is confused and struggling to find the best rose water, here comes to rescue Kama Ayurveda. It's a steam still 100% pure, being free of chemical. It is great for skin, plus it is very effective. Rose water acts as a great toner that helps in cleanses the skin and minimizes the pore. This rose water by Kama Ayurveda is made up with real rose water that targets to give you the best skin ever. Rose water is a natural astringent, balances the skin, restores the skin pH level. So if you have oily skin, this toner is for you. It also has cleansing and clarifying properties that helps to remove any sort of residue from the skin after you wash with face wash. Just sprint it on your face directly when you're dead tired. It will refresh you. This toner is going to freshen up you instantly. This toner also comes with anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, so that's a bonus. Pros of this product that I can think of on top of my head right now: it is antibacterial and it smells amazing. It smells heavenly. Cons of this product: none. It has no cons. You can just spray on your face directly and let it dry before you apply next product. Now multiple sizes are available for this, from 50 to 200 ml of the product. You can get smallest size for about 300 rupees like this, and yeah, that's it. This incredible rejuvenating brightening Ayurvedic night cream is special blend of precious and rare ingredients help illuminate the skin color and promote cell growth. Indian madar and aloe vera has antiseptic properties which prevents fine lines and delay the process of aging skin too. About the packaging, as you can see in the picture, this outer box looks very luxurious, expensive and classy. The product itself comes in a small glass which is very elegant, but well, it's also dangerous for clumsy people like me. I dropped this about a week in after started using this. And I don't like to carry glass tub when I'm traveling, but it definitely looks cool and it keeps your product from drying out or oxidization. So glass is definitely a better option for skincare products to store in. But I just happen to be clumsy. Plus, any tub packaging, as you know, is unhygienic. So do use wooden spatula that comes with it to scoop it out. Having oily skin, I don't find it difficult to spread cream evenly, but dry skin people may find a little difficult to spread it over on your face. But moisturize the face little bit with rose water or any kind of toner before application. It might help. Even toner, any sort of toner would help. It needs a little bit of work in getting absorbed, as I have to massage my face for like half a minute before it gets absorbed completely and the yellow residue vanishes. And it feels pretty heavy when I apply initially, but a quite light massage helps. It doesn't leave any stickiness or oily residue behind though after some massage. And I think night cream should feel a bit heavy on your face, as they need to work overnight, right, on the skin, especially if you're sleeping in an air conditioner room. But that's just my personal preference. The smell is completely Ayurvedic and luxurious. For those who have used it, it's pretty similar to Kumkumadi Tilam from Kama, but it doesn't linger as long as Kumkumadi Tilam cream. So watch out for that if you hate smelling Ayurvedic product. Pros of Kama Rejuvenating and Brightening Ayurvedic Night Cream. Let's get to it. It stays true to its claim of brightening and lightening and moisturizes the skin pretty well. So my skin looks fresh, supple, plump, and I feel like tan is removed completely. But that could be another product. This packaging is super luxurious and classy, and texture is smooth, and it gets absorbed quite easily with the added benefit of light massage. You have to massage. I don't think that's a bad thing. It hasn't broken me out, and that is a big win, as I have very sensitive and oily skin. It doesn't leave any residue or oiliness behind, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin doesn't look sweaty or oily at all. It has lightened the blemishes to a quite extent, and I think it's very good value for money, as a little goes long way for a luxurious spa-like feeling that I get. The ingredients list is very impressive, with saffron being the active ingredient. Cons of Kama Rejuvenating and Brightening Ayurvedic Night Cream. So it hasn't made big difference to a few stubborn acne marks. I have some here that anyway, it doesn't get absorbed instantly, and a light massage is needed. So it is con for people who like night cream that get instantly absorbed. I don't mind it, but some people do mind it and they do not want to massage. I don't know, but it could be con for some people. I don't think this would be moisturizing enough for very dry skin people, as it works on my skin, which is super oily. I don't know about dry people. The smell might bother who do not like strong Ayurvedic fragrance. That could be a con too. The jar is not travel friendly, and the tub packaging is unhygienic, but there is a spatula with it, so you can use that if you want. Ayurvedic face cream that I have been using for past 2 months, and Kama Ayurveda is one of my favorite beauty brand, and I totally love their products, especially the coconut oil and almond oil and neem oil and sesame oil, all the oils. My experience with Kama Iladi Hydrating Ayurvedic face cream comes in an off-white color, has a thick consistency, and it's a amazing mild floral fragrance that instantly relaxes the tired mind, and you'll feel rejuvenated and refreshed. It smells actually good. After cleansing and toning my face, I take pea-sized amount of this product and massage it nicely on my face and neck. You do need to massage it for good 2 to 3 minutes to sink it completely into the skin. It moisturizes the skin really well, leaving my skin feel soft and smooth and nourished. I bought this cream 6 months back, and I stopped using it after 2-3 uses. It was making my combination to oily skin a little greasy during the summer, and I started using this cream 2-3 months back, as my skin was feeling slightly dry due to cold weather in winter, and it provides enough moisture and kept my skin hydrated throughout the night. It is a day cream, but I prefer using it only during night time or under my makeup for intense hydration. And I have acne on my face and fine lines around my eye area, and I have not seen much improvement in those issues, but it did make my skin smooth, soft, bright, but it did not help in preventing acne and fine lines. So honestly, I was not expecting any miracle from this cream in span of 2 to 3 months. This cream is blend of natural ingredients, so it does take time to show some physically visible result, right? Packaging about this Kama Iladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream comes in a brown colored glass jar with a black screw cap, and all products related information is mentioned on the jar itself and on the outer carton as well. The price of this Kama Ayurvedic Iladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream is 895 rupees for 50 gram of product. It can be bought offline from Kama Ayurveda outlets and online from leading e-commerce websites like Kama's websites itself or Nykaa or Amazon. Coming to pros of this cream, or more of the reason to invest, it's a product from well-known and trusted Ayurvedic brand. It is infused with blend of pure ingredients like coconut milk, sesame oil, aloe vera, olive oil, there is olive oil, and pure essential oils of rose and jasmine. It's a rich face cream that instantly moisturizes the dull and dehydrated skin, leaving your skin soft, supple and nourished. It provides intense hydration without feeling greasy and is a perfect face cream for dry skin and the winter season, and for oily skin in the winter season. It comes with very calming and soothing aroma. It's suitable for normal and dry and extremely dry skin people. I have oily skin, but I used it in winter, so make your decision. It's a value for money product, and quantity provided for this price is good enough to last for up to 3 months even if you're using it twice a day. It doesn't cause any breakout to my sensitive acne prone skin, but that again depends if you're allergic to Ayurvedic thing. It is about 97.5% natural. Now coming to cons of this cream. Some people might find jar packaging unhygienic. It totally depends on you. Also, the glass jar is prone to breakage. Not good for oily people. It can leave greasy feeling during summer. Just for the reference, I do have oily skin type, but I was able to finish this product during cold weather. In fact, it is so thick that I prefer only this cream when I'm air traveling, because plain dried intense air conditioning plus all the air cleansing they diffuse, that is very drying for your skin, and you don't even realize it until after few days. So it's always great to moisturize heavily when you're air traveling. It is mentioned on the product description that it provides sun protection, but the SPF rating is not mentioned anywhere, neither on the product nor on the website. Last, it's expensive. It retails for about 1500 rupees for 50 gram of product. Kama Ayurveda Rose Lip Balm. Our skin and hair are not only the victim of dust, dirt, pollution, harmful sun rays. Our lips suffer too, but we hardly pay any attention to them. Dry and chapped and darkened lips are few of the effects that we all hate. Over the few years, I have learned importance of investing in a good lip balm. Before, I was using Vaseline lip balm on my lips, and after reading the disadvantages of Vaseline, I switched to Nivea, and then I kept on hopping from one lip balm to another lip balm, from brand to brand. So then when I saw this lip balm, quickly added it into my cart without even giving it a second thought. A rich, natural, moisturizing lip balm made with organic almond oil, castor oil, blended with organic beeswax, cocoa butter for intense nourishment, leaves my lips soft and hydrated. The first thing which I noticed, or should I say loved, about this lip balm was its yummy, delicious, rosy fragrance. It smells yummy. And the second thing which I loved about this amazing ingredient list, it contains almond oil, castor oil, wheat gram oil and beeswax, cocoa butter and rose extracts. It feels as if I'm using some luxurious royal product. It comes in small round box with black lid on top. The lip balm feels like a butter when you apply it on your lips. You can directly just apply with your fingertips. It has been few months since I'm using this lip balm, and difference are quite noticeable. My lips look much more healthy and soft than before. It has completely cured my dryness and flakiness. In fact, this has lightened my pigmentation to an extent. I hope if I continue using it for few more months, my pigmentation will get reduced by 50%. I'm here's to hoping. But as we say, there are always two sides of the coin. I'm not sure about the pigmentation, but it has worked for a friend of mine and then for my mother. So I would suggest not to buy this just for the sole purpose of depigmentation. Though it has so many qualities, but it has few drawbacks too. The major drawback is absence of SPF. It doesn't have any SPF, which makes it unsuitable for those who apply lip balm and just walk out of the house without any prepping. Another thing which I hate about it is unhygienic top packaging. All top packaging are unhygienic for me. Every single time I need to dip my finger into a top to use this product, which is an open invitation. Why can't I ever say it? Open invitation for bacteria. Overall, it's an effective lip balm which shows amazing result. I'm totally, deeply, completely in love with this. Finally, I have found my holy grail lip balm. It repairs and heals your lip without causing any damage, and it contains the organic ingredient. You don't need to worry about any side effect. I'm just loving this Ayurvedic lip balm. Let's quickly go over pros and cons of this product. Pros of this lip balm: it has lovely warm fragrance, effectively repairs dry and chapped lips, makes lips soft and healthy, doesn't leave whitish cast on lips, and doesn't feel waxy or heavy on the lips. It stays for about 3 to 4 hours maximum, that's what I feel like. And it helps in lightening lip pigmentation, but that's something I'm not 100% sure about. It has natural organic ingredient list, and only a small amount is needed for a single use. Coming to cons of this rose lip balm: it comes in a top packaging, unhygienic. It doesn't contain SPF. Availability of this is another issue, but then again you can order it online. Would I repurchase this Kama Ayurvedic lip balm? Though I am loving it a lot, I am not going to repurchase it next time, because I'm going to try almond one from Kama itself. So it's because I love this one, I wanted to try another one. It retails for about 550 rupees something to such a stick. It's gone on the sticker, but I'll show it somewhere here on the screen. It's somewhere around 550 to 600 rupees. Kama Ayurveda Organic Neem Oil. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamin and nourishing. Relieves dandruff, stimulates hair growth, treats acne, rashes, hyperpigmentation, burns, and yeah, I think that's it for now. My experience with Kama Neem Oil has an old world charm to it and takes me back to sweet time when I was a kid, and we used to have like huge neem tree at our home, and my mom would make us chew tiny new leaves. Yuck. With the onset of monsoon and during summers and monsoon, and my mom would boil neem leaves and add them to water, bath water, so we don't get any skin issues. So when I spotted this newly launched organic neem oil, I knew I would have to have it. Packaging is same as other Kama product. It comes in sturdy, see-through and travel-friendly packaging with green stickers, and it is color coded. So this one comes in green. There is a stopper also which prevents leakage. I think only this kind of dispenser would have worked for this kind of thick oil. And the outer cardboard packaging is covered with picture of neem leaves and greens too, as you can see here. It is very thick oil and not as thick as castor oil, but still it gets spread on your hair very well and gets absorbed by the scalp easily. It does not feel heavy on the skin or hair. The one thing that bugs me is that its smell. It is very strong smell that can definitely give you headache within minutes. But believe me, this is the only con, and it is easy to wash off too. Doesn't take long or doesn't take much effort to wash it off, but the smell stays on hair even after hair wash through. I mean, very mild smell after the wash, but it does stay, and I can definitely bear the smell, which is essentially of neem. And on my head I wear shower cap after applying this, so it doesn't get spread in my room. I will have to deal with this smell if I'm putting it on my face. But now let's talk about how you can use it. On hair, I keep this oil for about 30 to 40 minutes, and that's the max I can do with the smell. You can do for longer time if you want, but the smell is then I wash it off with regular shampoo and then follow up with conditioner. This works amazingly if you have scalp issues. It removes all the dandruff and flakes easily. My mother can see the difference uh, the improvement as her dandruff is almost gone and my scalp used to itch and burn a little at certain areas, and this oil has cured this. I cannot comment on hair growth claim yet, but I'm assuming it must be great at it too. Also, it moisturizes the hair pretty well and keeps it healthy. I'm noticing an added shine to my hair, and I think that's a plus, it's a bonus. For face, I apply this oil on my cleansed face and massage a little and keep it on my face for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I take some Brudel or any kind of face wash without soap, and then I use it and I follow up with rose water, then moisturize. It tingles a bit and makes my face feels a little warm, but that's bearable. It's not that bad. It has improved my complexion ever since I have started using this oil. And I started using this oil around the time when I was having breakouts, but this oil completely stopped it, and no new pimples popped out after 1 or 2 application, but it did not stop old pimples from growing. So that's something you want to note. I don't use it on all over my body, but you can massage all over your body and allow the oil to work for about 30 minutes as per the website. Then cleanse with Kama Ayurveda or any soap-free body cleanser. Overall, an amazing organic oil that can cure a lot of skin and hair woes if it suits you. Make sure you use tester and take a patch test before you start using this oil. I highly recommend it you to go through all the details given on the website before you start using it. Also sniff it too before you start using it and see if you can bear the smell. It's very strong smell. The oil has replaced my coconut oil for hair and has become my holy grail hair oil at the moment, and I'm sure I will love it more during monsoon when my scalp becomes a bit irritated. I'm sure it will help with that as well. And let's just quickly look at the pros and cons of this product. Pros: it is sturdy, see-through and travel friendly packaging. True to its claim, multi-purpose oil, body, face, hair, controls breakouts, moisturizing, relieves dandruff, makes skin and hair healthy, does not feel heavy. I think that's a plus. It does not feel heavy. Coming to cons, its smell, no one can bear it. Not suitable for sensitive skin and scalp. Thicker than other oils. Smell stays even after you wash it. That should be a con. That's a huge con. Would I buy this again? Yes, it worked like a charm for me. I'd definitely buy this again. It is for 675 rupees for 200 bottle. This is smaller size. I bought in a combo pack like this, but separate version that is like 200 ml, and I wish I could buy this combo offer again and again. It's easier to travel with this smaller packaging, but also Nykaa always has these offers where they give away free sample sizes products, so look out for that as well if you are looking for smaller sizes. Otherwise separately it's 200 ml for about 700 rupees. Kama Ayurveda Sonobar Body Cleanser, a perfect hydrating shower gel with honey, rice, wheat and sugar extract, nourishing your skin while cleansing. I like the packaging of Kama Ayurveda products anyway. It is never cheap or flimsy like other natural brand products, and this one comes in see-through packaging with a stopper on silver cap, and it is very sturdy and travel friendly. It has all the details about the products too. I do not find this cleanser expensive. It is very well priced for this quantity and performances. This cleanser is transparent with a tint of orange in it, and maybe because it contains orange essential oil. It spreads well on the body and you do not need much product to create lather or cleanse well. And I take a bath with this cleanser. It is so easy to apply this cleanser all over my body with a loofah. Cleanses the skin well and you can feel it too. I mean, it physically make you feel clean. It does not leave any skin sticky, itchy or greasy. It does not dry out my skin, hence it is hydrating, but it is not moisturizing. The first thing I do not like about this cleanser is that the fragrance does not stay for long. It disappears as soon as I wash the cleanser off. It is such a nice, subtle, refreshing fragrance. Only if it lasted any longer, I would have been all over this product. Another thing I do not appreciate is that the presence of SLS. This is a personal choice SLS thing, but I do not like to use product that contains SLS or SLES, so I would not get this one again. Another claim I do not buy from this line is that it is nourishing, and I have not seen any changes in my skin, such changes about nourishment. Overall, I like this cleanser and how refreshing and clean it makes me feel, but I'm not fan of it. And I like Kama cleanser, but I would rather go for SLS free range they have. And this is such a basic cleanser. I mean, it's not so great, it's basic. You can get other products in the same price from a different brand. I'm not really impressed with this one, that's what I'm trying to say. I do not need a lot of amount in one go to cleanse this, so that's a good thing. Coming to pros of Kama Ayurveda Sonobar body cleanser, packaging is see-through and sturdy, pure essential oils and cypress and orange, refreshing fragrance, does not dry out my skin, cleanses my skin well, gets rinsed easily, it's hydrating, very well priced. That's about it, I guess. Coming to cons, fragrance does not last long, and SLS. So that's about it for cons. It retails for about 675 rupees for 200 of bottle of this product, and you can get 50 ml smaller size for a lot less money, but you have to buy from Kama outlet for that smaller size like this, or the larger size are available on Nykaa and other website. This is the smaller size I got in entire combo pack, which is cheaper. Kama Ayurveda Sonobar hair cleanser. I was in a phase early summer this year when I loved citrus fragrances, and orange had become my favorite for quite some time, and I had picked up products from Sonobar range which had essential oils of cypress and orange, and this hair cleanser was like one of those products. Now let me quickly give you what I think about it. This cleanser is enriched with nourishing hibiscus and neem extracts, and orange essential oil acts as natural antibacterial agent and restores naturally healthy shine to hair. A herbal blend that naturally cleanses and nourishes and protects your hair with every wash. 55.5% natural, corrects oil and greasy hair, restores healthy shine, clarifies and stimulates scalp. Apply very small amount on wet hair and scalp and massage for a couple of minutes, and then rinse it with water. You have to massage it to get it working properly. About the texture, it's a foaming hair cleanser that lathers easily and leaves your hair squeaky clean, and it's scented with woody citrus note. I love that, it smells like wine. Let's talk about main ingredients in the shampoo. Hibiscus, that is rich in antioxidants, helps in the damage caused by skin, the damage caused to the skin by UV rays, dust, pollutants, etc. It also has a hair growth property with antibacterial properties. Hibiscus has natural surfactant called saponin, also helps in cleansing. Second, neem. It purifies blood and it is antibacterial in neem. It also improves conditions such as dandruff, scalping, and hair loss and hair. This retails for 675 rupees for 200 ml of the product.